In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM. If you're a Zoho user, knowing how to import data efficiently can greatly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to go to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is the starting point for all your CRM activities and where you'll be managing your data. If you're not already there, simply navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to all the different modules within Zoho CRM. Depending on what type of data you're importing, you'll need to choose the appropriate section. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on importing leads. So go ahead and click on Leads from the menu. This will take you to the Leads section where you can manage and add new lead information. Now that you're in the Leads section, look for the Create button. This button is usually found at the top of the page, and it's what you'll use to add new entries. Next to the Create button, you'll notice a small drop-down icon. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal more options. Among these options, you'll find Import Lead. Click on Import Lead to begin the data import process. Clicking Import Lead will open up a new window or page that guides you through the steps required to import your data file. This is where you'll upload your data, typically from a CSV or Excel file, so make sure your data is formatted correctly before proceeding. If you're unsure about the format, Zoho CRM provides templates and guidelines to help you prepare your data correctly, which can be a lifesaver in avoiding import errors. After selecting your file, Zoho CRM will prompt you to map the fields from your file to the fields in the CRM. This is an important step because it ensures that the data goes into the correct places within the system. Take your time with this part to prevent any mismatches or errors in your import. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, you'll be able to review the data one last time. If everything looks good, confirm the import. Zoho CRM will process the import, and within moments, your data will be available in the CRM for you to start working with. And there you have it. You've successfully imported data into Zoho CRM. This process can be used for various types of data, not just leads, so feel free to explore and try importing contacts, accounts, or any other data your organization needs to manage. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.